I experienced so much death. Basically, all my classmates from Vilna were killed. And years later, when I was in officers' training for the Haganah, there was a girl in the group, Esther Halperin. She was from that class. And I still remember when I saw her, we hugged and I cried. And when I think about it, even today, it was such an intense feeling. And when I think about the Holocaust, which I do, because I also translated a lot about the Holocaust for the Holocaust Museum. I live it. And but you can only value loss, or shall we say, you can really value it from personal experience.